As you can see, standard iPhone 14 Pro Max box, iPhone on the side, picture on the front, Apple logo. All right, on the back here, all you do is pull these two tabs. Very satisfying. And we're ready to open. Ooh, very nice. So we will set this aside for a minute and take a look at what's in the box. First, you have your standard lightning power cable. No brick this time. I think everyone pretty much knows that they've stopped giving out bricks, which is fine because I generally like to use these small anchor bricks with my devices. They charge super fast. And of course, the standard designed by Apple in California information package, which in this particular case, they actually let you know that you don't actually have a physical SIM card anymore. You activate your eSIM during the iPhone setup. Safety and handling, etc. Don't need that. And it's the standard Apple sticker, which I also won't be using. You can see right away that is the deep purple color. Now, I guess I was expecting a little bit more of a deep purple, but this is extremely nice. Bringing it around to the front, let's pull this bad boy off right here. And there we go. So, standard on the side, you have your switch, 2 volume buttons as normal. On the other side, pretty standard, you have your power button. And on the bottom here, standard lightning port, which I wish it was USB-C, but beggars can't be choosers. And 2 very nice speakers on the bottom. And on the back, you have your camera lenses, which if you can see here, let's see if I can show you. It's a pretty prominent bump out, which is one of the reasons that I got the case in the first place. And here is the TORRAS case that I ended up going with. It's a clear case so that I can show off, I guess, the purple back of the phone. Fairly nice packaging. Very slim line, for, I guess, for a case, but that's what I was going for. And there she is. So like I said, I went with the clear case. The good thing about this case is that it has this very nice bump out right here to be able to protect the camera lenses. It's a fairly flexible phone. I wanted to go with the silicone so that it has a little bit of grippiness. Nice cutouts on the bottom here for both the charging cable and the speakers. So let's go ahead and put in the phone. So you can see the camera lenses are very protected here. So I'll go ahead and give a little bit of a close-up. And thanks for enjoying this unboxing with me. So far, an absolutely beautiful phone. Looks like I might deal with a couple of fingerprints on this case. So whether or not it ends up working out for me, but right now I'm pretty happy that you can sort of see the phone. I haven't ever really used a clear case, but at this point in time, I'm ready to get messing around with this thing. Woohoo!